Welcome to Grow a Garden, the secret codes you need to know for 2025. Today, we'll explore the latest trends and innovations in gardening. Ever wondered what those mysterious codes on plant tags really mean? Let's decode them together. To kickstart your gardening journey, there are a few essential tools every modern gardener needs. Understanding your soil is crucial for garden success. Let's simplify soil testing and enhancement. In 2025, smart technology can boost your gardening efforts. Here's how to use it effectively. Let's embrace sustainability with eco-friendly gardening practices that benefit both you and the planet. Companion planting can enhance growth and deter pests. Discover the best pairings for your garden. Planning your garden schedule is vital. Here's your 2025 planting calendar to follow. Managing pests naturally is key to a healthy garden. Let's explore effective and eco-friendly solutions. With these tips, you're ready to prepare for your best garden yet in 2025. Happy gardening!